Good morning, Bobcats.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Ennis.
And here's your daily bulletin for Tuesday, December 5th.
The virtue of the week is helpfulness. Helpfulness is being service to others, doing thoughtful things that makes a difference in their lives, offering help without waiting to be asked, and asking for help when we need it. When we help each other, we get more done and we make our lives easier. The Dalai Lama teaches us that our prime purpose in this life is to help others. One way to help others is to donate blood. Wednesday, December 13 is our annual PHS blood drive. To participate, you must be a student at PHS and 16 years old. Please sign up in the main office.
Here's another cool way to help others. Through the creation of art, the Hope and Justice Initiative offers young people the opportunity to win prizes and promotes mental health by expressing their feelings and inspiring others through art. Our monthly Hope and Justice contest asks young people grades ages 12 to 25 to explore how they are coping through tough times and expresses the changes they want to see in their communities. You can submit the entries related to the themes of hope, justice, or monthly prompts about different topics. All art forms are accepted: visual art, short films, podcast, poetry, original music, TikTok dances, and more. You can win up to $300 in Amazon gift cards, sponsored by the Hope and Justice Initiative.
December Journey's prompt is what I wish my parents and other adults knew. Create a film, podcast, or art piece about what you wish your parents or other adults knew about the warning signs of suicide, what life is like as a young person today, or the importance of supporting youth mental health. This content is open to everyone ages 12 through 25, and there's an additional TikTok challenge. Every entry receives a $20 gift card. For more information, find the link on the print version of this bulletin or go to directingchange.org.
The fitness room is now open after school each day until 5:15, 4:15 on Wednesdays for all students who would like to work for injury prevention, conditioning for sports, increased flexibility, or mental health.
The ASVAB test will be administered here at PHS on December 11th. The test is at 12:45, most likely in Mrs. Crowler's room 109. The ASVAB can give you great information about your aptitudes and possible careers, and it's not too late to sign up. Scan the QR code on the flyers posted in the school or see Mr. Ray in the counseling office. If you're interested in taking the Welding prerequisite course at Butte College in the spring, Mr. Ray is organizing transportation for PHS and Ridgeview students. The class is either Monday and Wednesday or Tuesday to Thursday from 5 to 9:50 p.m. The Monday-Wednesday class has the most spots available. You will need to apply for Butte College to register. See Mr. Ray for details.
ETS, Educational Talent Search, is an awesome free program from Chico State that can help you prepare for and get into college. You may have received an application from Jose in the library before the break. Get your application in soon. You can find it attached to the print version of this bulletin.
Seniors, have you paid for your cap and gown? All caps and gowns have been reserved. However, if you have not paid for yours, please go to Herb Jones' website and click Paradise Bobcats. Purchase by January 1st for the best price. For more info, call Kim in the main office, extension 3002. In sports this week, girls soccer play at Orwell on Thursday. The boys team has a tournament at Red Bluff Friday and Saturday. Varsity boys basketball has a tournament in Live Oak Wednesday through Friday. And the wrestling team is hosting the King and Queen of the Mountain tournament this Friday and Saturday. Also in sports, our boys soccer team has a very small amount of players. If you're interested in trying out for the team, it may not too be late. Talk to the coach Bart at soccer practice after school or see Mr. Click in room 113. Please, we need you guys. Do you believe in the right to free speech? Here's Tal on why it is important to voice one's opinion.
Many college campuses have experienced free speech issues over the past several years. Here at PHS, we also have a minor free speech issue. The administration has been dealing with a growing number of students who are citing their right to free speech in order to justify behavior that has gotten them removed from classes. While it is true that the First Amendment protects the right to free speech, it is important to not forget that freedom of speech does not mean one is free from the consequences of what they say. especially when what is spoken is a deliberate attempt to belittle someone's ethnicity, religion, appearance, political views, or to undermine the authority of those simply attempting to teach and guide students through the years of high school. Beyond high school, under the imminent lawlessness test, speech is protected by the First Amendment up to the point of imminent lawlessness by the speaker or others. Basically, speech is protected until it incites a crime or violation of the law. However, in a public school, the restriction is tighter. According to uscourts.gov, the right to free speech does not include any speech that substantially disrupts the educational process. This means that a student's rights to freedom of speech are no longer protected once they actively cause a disruption and prevent further education, and thus any student who disrupts class should be prepared to accept the consequences. Please be mindful of your classmates' and teachers' time, as these distractions hinder the learning processes of the whole class.
Here is your patriotic message. On December 4th, 1978, Dianne Feinstein became the first female mayor of San Francisco. She served as mayor for 10 years, and in 1992, she was elected to the U.S. Senate, where she served until her death in September this year. America is big enough to admit when it's wrong and confident enough to learn from its mistakes. Here is your new trivia question. These two brothers named Miles and Jordan graduated from PHS in 2005 and 2007. Now, here's your question. Can you name their father who starred in a well-known television show through the 1970s? You can still see that show on many cable networks today. Happy late birthday to Everett J. Mueller.
And Jose Reyes.
Happy birthday today to Layla Toomey.
Happy birthday on Thursday to Peyton Arkenberg.
And Ashley Gandolfi. Here is your joke of the day. What do you call an elf wearing earmuffs?
I don't know.
Anything you want, he can't hear you. If you know a good school-appropriate joke, email it to phsbroadcast@pusdk12.org or stop by room 108 to announce your joke on the Daily Bulletin. Have a great day, Bobcats, and rise up.
You want to start?
Oh, I thought you...
I didn't even